Today, I will show you a scholarship opportunity you can take advantage of. Our today's funding opportunity is the UC Davis Health Betty Irene School of Nursing Fellowship. Okay, the aim of this scholarship is to develop and support North leaders who will innovate policies and transform healthcare system. Their target students are early to mid career nurse scientists, educators, and researchers. In fact, typically those who already have their PhD already. And this scholarship is worth about $450,000. It's 3 years. So if you are interested in this, you might want to check them out. I know you have found value in this video. Drop the comment class and I will send you links to join our free class where we'll show you how you can get up to $50,000 in funding for masters and for PhD. Drop the comment now.